Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I will be showing you guys how I was able to make my beautiful kinky twist. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel. And also please do share this video with your friends, and please do follow me on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. I'm going to link everything in the description box below, especially TikTok because I find it really interesting. So guys, I'll be showing you guys how I was able to do my twist. If you know me, you know that I absolutely love kinky twists. This particular bulk hair I have on is from HOTBRAIDS hair company. This is their virgin Afro Kinky bulk hair. It is a quality bulk hair, so the expectation is after using it the first time, when you take it out and you keep it very well and reuse it. You reuse it all the time. It's a virgin hair, it's good quality, and they've added the instructions on how to maintain it and take very good care of it, which I think is amazing. It caters to different types of natural hair. It caters to the type 3 natural hair, type 4. So when you go to the website, you choose the type that will be more suitable for your natural hair. I think I have a couple here. I have type 3 and type 4 they sent to me, samples. Okay, so I chose the type 4 because my natural hair type is type 4C specifically. So I think I was sent 5 bundles to do this braid, but I ended up using 4. As always, I'm going to put all the links and everything that has to do with the bundle in the description box below, okay? But if you have any questions, don't forget to put it in the comment section and I'll definitely get back to you guys. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the packaging of this braid. As you guys can see, it came with a scarf. This is a very large and beautiful scarf. And also it came with these accessories. So like I said, I got 5 bundles, but I ended up using 4. So yeah, I'm just showing you the different textures of this twist. So when you want to get yours, you can always get the one that is exactly the texture for your natural hair. As you guys can see, these are all the different types of twists. So this is for 4A, 4C hair. This is for 3C, 4A hair. This is for 3A, 3B hair. And this is for 3B, 3C hair. So I'm going to go ahead and start braiding my hair. I'm just going to take a section out, section my hair, and then I'll start braiding. Like you guys know, I always do like a cornrow on the roots of my hair. Then when I get to an extent, I just split it into 2 equal half and then I twist. I do it this way, you know, because I feel it's more secured when I do it this way instead of twisting it from the root. So as you guys can see, I'm doing like a cornrow on the root. And I'm gonna split the whole hair into 2 equal half, and then I'm gonna twist. And then I'm just going to continue to do the same thing. So you guys can see that I'm almost done with the twist. Like, making this hair didn't take me that much time, maybe because I'm used to it. So it didn't take that much time, honestly. After completing the twist, I just went ahead to trim the ends of the twist, and then I went ahead and applied my gel to lay my edges. Then I applied my hair mousse and my hair oil as well. That's my hair growth oil that I applied, and then I applied my hair mousse. And yes guys, you guys can see this is what the braids looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. It is so light. I just feel as if there's nothing on my head. It's just really light. And you know, the great thing about this twist is it's just so versatile. You can style it in so many different ways, like I'm gonna show in the video. So I did like half up half down style, and I also did like a half up half down style with a bit of a bun, and here I did with 2 buns as well. I'm just showing you guys that there's so many ways to style this braids. You don't have to put it all to the back all the time or just pack it all the time. You can style it in so many different ways. So next, I'm just going to briefly show you guys how to style the scarf that came with these braids. You guys can see that the scarf is really beautiful and you can style it in different ways. Like guys, I absolutely love this twist. It's just a very beautiful twist. It's great quality twist. Like I said earlier on, you can reuse it as much as you want. And yes guys, I believe that is all for this video. Please don't forget to support me by liking, subscribing, and also sharing this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you very much for watching guys. Love you guys. Bye.